Okay, let's start timer. Okay. My idea. Okay. I would like to make a kind of particle thing. Oh, no. That was a different idea. I want to do high-low in the card. Okay, so it's going to have a title. It's going to have... I'm trying to draw on a piece of paper what I want. Okay. I'm drawing the card. Full screen button. High-low. Let's say I have a score. And then it has a number. Let's put it in a box. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I'm going to have text in the middle, higher or lower. And I'm going to have a card on the left. Let's say 4 of diamonds. Four of diamonds. And then I'm going to have 2 buttons. Like that. High-low, title, score, and there's a full screen button. Going full screen will reset the game. That's fine with me. Now what I'm going to do... Oh, I just realized I don't have my camera. I can do it here. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna save that now. Oh, maybe I can just drag it in. Nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back. Good. I am doing a 1-hour project. I am going to make high-low using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I would like to use Unicode card characters. Here is the proposed layout. 1, title in the top left. 2, score in the top right. Interesting. Weird. In the top right, with the first box being the correct guess count, the second box being the incorrect guess count, third box being the total. 3 in this game in the center. Weird. Why is that doing that? It wasn't doing it yesterday. It wasn't doing that yesterday. In the center. Maybe it only does it after I've taken a photo. Let me close it and try again. Photo booth. Again, let's not interact with it and see if it's fine. The game in the center with the question, higher or lower, above the card on the left and the buttons on the right. 4, the full, oh, it still did it. Button in the bottom right. Weird. Wonder if I can do that. No. That's better than nothing. Okay, I'm gonna get, that's fine. Okay, what else? Okay, your project idea and layout looks clear. Here's a structure to help you quickly build the high-low game. Done. Styles. Container, header, high-low, scoreboard, correct, incorrect, total. Game area, card display, current card. No, I don't want that. I want to use the Unicode card. But otherwise, it looks good. JavaScript. Okay, let's put that in. Okay, so I am here. Make one for 24, 1003. 1003. Now I'm going to make this be high-low. pp paste high-low HTML. Paste styles.css, and then did I copy it? Yeah, pp paste script.js. Now let's say Google Chrome hello. Oh. Yeah, that's good. I want that there. Then I don't have to worry about it. Nice. Okay. High, low, higher, lower, higher, higher, lower, higher. It's only diamonds. Oh, turn 13. That's not a real one. Okay. Okay. Couple problems. So far, so it's fine. First feedback. I would like to I actually like the card layout. It's pretty good. I would like to use Unicode characters of the actual cards. No. No. There is... No. Okay, no. No, there is a set of characters of the cards themselves. I don't want to use the suit and number. The idea, and the buttons are not in the right place. Yes, exactly. No, I don't need to. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. Okay. Now let's look at the script. Correct? Yes, it's current card. Okay, that's good. Okay, so it's setting current card to a random card. That's fine. Correct element is the same. Higher button, lower button is the same. Get random card is different. Cool. Update scoreboard is the same. Check guess. No, check guess is different. Okay. Now I'm not sure. I'll need to possibly even write some unit tests. Higher, lower, the same. I'm sure. Well, I don't know why I'm automatic. Full screen toggle. No, I don't want full screen. No. That's not what I want. Okay. Current card, initialize the display. Am I happy with that? Okay, let's try it again. Nice. No, it's a bit too small, so I can't see it. I don't think I can get it right. Oh, I did. Yep. The numbers are wrong. The score is wrong. Okay. Thanks. Next feedback. The higher, lower, the buttons should be on the right of the card character. Here is what it currently looks like with the buttons below the card. I'll pop that in there. Okay. I do like how small it is because that means, nah, it doesn't expand. It would fit nicely in the card. Okay, move the buttons. You can use CSS Flexbox for a bit of control. Here's how you can update it. Okay. BME styles. Game area. Margin top. Card display. Buttons. Okay, so let's delete that. And let's copy that. And then paste it in. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Okay, it's better. Okay, but I need, okay. Great, now keep the question above the card and buttons. Now move. Maybe I need to draw a picture of the layout for it. I can use a different color pen. Identical. Boom. Okay, let's see. 5. Hold that up. Then oh, that's fine, I can crop that. And it's not reversed either, so I'll have to reverse that. Crop down to there. Desktop. Tools, flip. Save. Here's an example of the layout, grid layout, using red lines to indicate the grid cell borders. Okay. Let's see what it said though, because updated structure makes sense. Let's look at the high-low HTML container header high-low. So let's set fold method equals indent. So we have the header. What is going on? That's not indent. Okay. Scoreboard. No, so you got header and you got game area. And then button. And that's actually, I'm just going to drop that for now. I'll add that to the, when I'm doing the preview card. I'm thinking when I'm about maybe 20 minutes left, I'll focus on the card, maybe 25 minutes left. Current card. I'm just going to leave that blank. Oh, it puts an example in there. I'm going to grab that. Okay. Game area. P question. Class equals question. Card buttons. Okay. Okay. Updated styles. Styles. So the game area has margin top flex. So let's just put that together. Okay. Then we have card buttons. That's new. I think it's new. Let me just quickly check. Card buttons. Okay. Then we have card display, which is basically the same. The comment is different. That's enough for me to. And then we have buttons. It's the same except for this. Question. There's no question. So I'm just going to go to buttons and put it after buttons, just like in here. Okay. And that should basically be it. So let's have a look. That's better. That's good. It's actually fine. I don't need to change that. Never mind. Here's my current CSS. Cat percentage into pp copy. Let's add a bit more spacing between the buttons. I'm just going to put a screenshot in there. Good. Okay. Just thinking. Okay, and I want the card to be bigger. I can't read it enough right now. Might even drop the question. High or low is not really. Buttons, okay, gap. Ah, cool. I guess with flex, gap is just a thing then. Nice. No, that's fine. Gap is good. Now let's make the card bigger and remove the question. I think the question's redundant. I think the buttons basically explain it. Card display 40 to 80. Yep, I think that's fine for now. Question display none. I'm actually just going to drop it. High low. I'll say low high. Where is it? High low question. Now if card buttons, I've removed the button, the question P block P element entirely. Can I collapse the game? No, card buttons. No, I can't. Oh, the game area. And card buttons divs into one. Cool, that's good. I want the card even bigger. I can change it myself because I know how it does it now. If I where will the card display? 53. Now 120. It'd be nice if the button was aligned with the bottom there. Game area is high-low. So I get rid of card buttons. Okay, I don't, for some reason it's double spaced. I actually prefer double spacing. Buttons, high-low, updated CSS, styles, game area. Okay. Card display. I've made it bigger, but that's fine. Buttons, display, flex, direction, column. I think it's basically the same. Okay. Can I make less space? Let's inspect it. Inspect this. The game area has a margin. Let's get rid of the margin. Because this is enough. Margin. Let's get rid of the margin above game area. I think I can figure that out myself. Game area. Margin top. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I would like to move that down, but that's minor. I feel like the game itself is broken. So if I go lower, I got 101. If I go higher, okay, good. Now if I go lower, I'm doing great. Higher. Now the question is, yeah, I think across different suits, it's not. I think it's just putting it into one array. And I actually want to only care about the numbers, not about the suits. Okay. Let's cut, no, okay. There are two things. I think they're both necessary. I need to fix the game. That's important. Second thing is I want to add some color to the little cards to indicate green, red, and I'd say gray. So let's color the background of the score block, score numbers, so that the correct score has a green background. let's say I'm just going to be super specific, pastel green. The incorrect has a pastel red background, and the total is left with the current gray color. Okay, so this should be a very minor CSS change. Exactly. Do I already have that correct? No. I'm going to put it to the bottom then. I was going to get rid of that as well. Cool. I can just paste all this in. Do I want... That's beautiful. I like that. Nice and simple, and it's, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, I've got, say, 3 more minutes, and then I want to start putting this into an embedded card as well. Okay, one last thing before we start making the preview card version. I would like to fix the game so that the suit is ignored by is ignored when comparing whether a card is higher or lower. Okay, 1. Regardless of suit, if the next card is higher in number than the current card, and the player clicked higher, they got it correct. And now, 2, regardless of suit, if the next card is lower, player clicked lower. If the next card is the same number as the current card, then the player got it incorrect, regardless of whether they clicked higher or lower. Ruthless. In all other cases, the player got it incorrect. Okay, let's see if it understands that. I think it will. It basically needs to assign a number, ideally based on the array position. If we look at the JavaScript, if these are correct, and I haven't actually checked, but if these are correct, then no, I don't like that. Oh, okay. Or no. Okay, no. I'm going to cat the current thing into okay. Here is the current JavaScript. I wonder if I can switch now to no, I can't. I think this would be good for 01 preview, but it's fine. Okay, I gotta fix this quickly so I can switch to the card view. Here's the card JavaScript. I would like to find the current card, the previous card, and what is it called? New card and current card. New card and current card within one of the arrays in the, I would like to find the index of new card, one of the arrays in spades, hearts, diamonds, or clubs, and then the indices, and then compare the indexes to see which is higher. And I'm going to give an example here because I'm worried it's going to take a few rounds. For example, let's just grab one. If new card is, boom, that's 6, and current card is, which one did I take from? Spades. 6 of spades. Current card is, let's grab that one, 9. 9 of diamonds. Then new card has an index of each array of -1, no, 1, 2, 3, so 5, -1, -1, -1. And current card has an index of each array of -1, -1, 8, -1. And after filtering out after finding the positive, the non-negative index in each array, we end up with new card 5, current card 8, which means that if the player picked higher, they are correct. But if they picked, it's taking me like 10 minutes just to write this, lower, then they are incorrect. I feel like I could have just written that myself. I feel like in that time of writing that prompt, if it doesn't get it right perfectly, I'm going to be annoyed because I think I could have just written the function untested. I wouldn't be happy about that. But I think I could write check guess faster myself. Implement logic is found in spades, hearts, diamonds, or clubs. Let's see if this is good. Correct guess is total, incorrect guess is spades. Oh my god, it's gonna write the whole thing in. Okay. 20 minutes left. Do I have enough time? So yesterday it took me 10 minutes to publish, which was much longer than I hoped. I think I could do it in 5 minutes today. So that gives me 15 minutes basically to get the card working. The preview card working on my blog. Adding the full screen button I think is going to be pretty straightforward. Okay, let's have a look here. Find card index. Index spades. Okay, this is another way of doing it. I would have, that's impossible. unless the card is not one of the values. I would have expected I would have used a filter or find method on an array. That's fine. This works. Get random card, update score, check guess, new card, get random card, find card index, find new card guesses. Is higher. Yeah. Total guesses. That stays the same. Current card, new card, text content. Okay, this is good. What is going on? Okay, I like that. And now we need to take this function. I'm assuming everything else is the same. That might not be a fair assumption. I might need to take a minute just to scan. Or I could do a diff, maybe. I might scan it. Correct guesses, arrays, all cards, current card, correct element, that's all. It looks the same. Higher button, that looks the same. Find card index, get random cards, so the order's not the same. Update scoreboard is the same. Check guess. Find card index, check guess. Looks good. And then update. Okay. Let's see how it goes. 3. Higher. Higher. Lower. Higher. Higher. Lower. Higher. Higher. Lower. Good. I'm happy with this. It's good. It looks like the game works. There might be some small bugs. That's what unit tests would be good for. But I'm going to say that's done for now. I wish I could resize it a bit more. I might need to do that anyway. Okay. So now we have it working in full screen. I'm not going to worry about the typos. Let's embed it in a card on my blog. Where's the blog? Open index. Okay, good. Let's have a look actually at index, because what I want to do is actually create a way of telling. Let's actually pipe the head. Head in 83. So let's go head minus n83. Okay, good. And then I'm going to put that into pbcopy. Here are the first 83 lines of my blog index.html to give you an idea of how the I should also include the CSS structure looks. The cards are article elements in a flexbox grid. Okay, let's see what it can do. I'll give it like 10 minutes. So I need a new article. ID equals 2024 10 24 10 03 div. I want to put it in a div because, and then I also want this to go to 3. High low. Okay, does that work? Good. Update HTML to include high-low article ID 1003 class high-low footer. Footer. Do I want that? No, I'm just gonna leave it as a P. I'm not gonna put it as a footer. Okay, let's just see how this looks. Okay, no styling. Embedded card. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I want to reuse the existing styles.css. So let's update styles.css to div class equals date 2024 10/03. Let's to update to apply the full screen styling. No, apply the preview styling. Different if it is in a to work in both. I'm just gonna hope for the best. It's gonna break the whole thing. Yeah, it broke. Oh, it didn't actually break that bad. I see. That's actually fine. No, there's no score. Where'd the score go? Where'd the score go? I feel like I did break it. General styles. Okay. No, not full screen. There is a date 2024 10/03 class. That is used in the wrapping div. Only the style changes should only apply to the div and its children. And I think I might put that in the full screen one as well. Let's try that. Styles. Hello. Style. That's what I did last night as well, I remember. No. What happened to that? I just broke it. Sources. Can I still retrieve it from here? Oh no, it's gone there though. Great. Just broke it. ugly. Body. It's probably still up here. Running out of time. Always running out of time. I like it, but it's frustrating. This is also, I should be saving this to Git more frequently, so I can easily revert if I make a mistake. Where's my body? Okay, here we go. That's what I want. Let's see if this fixes it. Okay, good. And now I'm gonna copy it, not yank it. Okay. Whatever, it's good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the styles, delete that, and now that should still work. And now if I go back to there, good, it's not all broken now. What I want is to update hello, put everything in a div, div container, body. Ooh, maybe I can just class equals date 2024 10/3, and then in the styles to go 2024 date 2024 was it 10/03, and then do very general like, hopefully this is more better scoped. No, that's not what I want. I want to do. Come on, give me time. Okay, let's see. Does that work? Yeah, still works. Okay, now I should be able to go back, and now date 2024 10/3. I would have expected that to work. It's the body stuff. Let us look at 2, no, 3. Font family. Where's my score? Where's my score? Align items. Background color. I'm going to take all of that and put it into styles, dot date, 2024, 10/03. I'm just going to put it into here. No, is that what no? Was that it? Does that work? Okay. I thought I had scores. I don't have scores. Maybe it's just, it's not even working. I don't have JavaScript, that's why. That's why. Before index, no, let's just actually copy and paste from high-low. works. It's still broken. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so broken. Really? Why not? Ah, that's why, because the labels. 03. There. It's blocking cookies? Scripts? Oh, no, it works. Why is there no score? Whatever. Okay, this knows. Now I'm gonna put this to the right. B. How did I do it before? 2024. Oh man, I'm really cutting it. 2 slash styles. Oh man, don't know. 2024 10 02 styles. Text line. Let's see if we can just do it here. Three, and then that's good enough. It's good enough. It doesn't have a score here, and it doesn't look as beautiful. Hello game. Is the CSS just missing? Is that? Oh my god! I think the score is just missing. Scores. Oh my god! I'm running out of time. I'm not even gonna publish it like this. B4 article. Hello world. Yeah, it's just missing stuff. Game area. Hello card. Game area. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so janky. Okay, get status, get add. Oh, I could go up. CD. Get add, get status. I don't like it. Get commit. Minus add high low. Game. Get push. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like the color background. The font was not correctly applied. But it looks like it works. Okay, now let's look at the actual website. Come on, deploy. What are the third-party cookies? Is that? Okay, we just made it in time. I didn't have the same publishing problems as yesterday, although I do want to figure out my issues with my commit signing. But that, I mean, this repo's only for me anyway. Very nice. I wanted this to be in here. I love Very good. Okay, cool. Chat to you later. Beep boop.